everyone, I am Achal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be trying to do my makeup for the very first time. Like, I really don't have any makeup products. Like, I do have, obviously, I'll do the makeup, so I have products. So, I am putting my hairs at the back ताकि वो मेरे face पे ना आए. Yes, I am done. And now let's start with the makeup. So firstly, I guess we use foundation and it is from Nykaa. And yeah, let's just apply it. I'll take a little bit on my hand. Just do it here. Okay, you guys can correct me in the comment section if I do anything wrong, okay? I'll take it as advice because I really need advice in makeup. Is this how we do it? Okay. Now I'll be taking the blender and मैंने उस tutorial में देखा था that the girl was damping this what I forgot the name in water, okay, like a little bit. Okay, so I'll do the same. मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है, ठीक है, मैं अंधी हूँ ना, तो I'll be doing here. Okay, I am done putting the foundation. Is it okay? Like, is it blended perfectly? I don't know. I guess it's perfect. Now, what should we apply? Let me Google which makeup product we use after the foundation.
After foundation, apply concealer to cover any remaining imperfections.
I don't have a concealer. मैं क्या करूँ? हम एक काम करते हैं, क्या काम करें? कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. So the Google said if you don't have a concealer, use a high coverage powder or whatever. I have this compact powder and I'm gonna use this only. भाई मैं सही तो लगा रही हूँ ना, प्लीज तुम लोग मेरी बेइज्जती मत करना कमेंट्स में. But जो भी कहो, I am loving the process. Okay guys, so I am done putting the powder as well. And why does it look like someone has painted my face? Okay, so after the compact powder, the Google said you have to use a bronzer or a blush. So for the bronzer, I don't have one, so I'll be using this eyeshadow. I have seen, makeup tutorials, they use this type of color, and I was trying to do it off camera. I failed so badly. Also, as I am learning how to do makeup, so I have not spent so much money on buying makeup products. As I learn, then I'll buy brushes and other stuff as well. यार ये हो क्यों रहा है? ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये तो यहाँ पे छपा रह गया है. Okay, so now according to Google, after the bronzer we have to use a blush and I don't have one. I'll be using my lip balm. It is from Glam 21. It is tinted lip balm and I always use this as blush. See what I have done. And let's just apply it. ये बहुत ज़्यादा लग गया. Also, I don't know where to apply blush. Okay, मैं बस randomly कहीं पे भी dot place कर रही हूँ. The blush done. कम नहीं लग रहा है, ये थोड़ा सा और लगा लें क्या?
लड़की तुम बहुत बोलती हो, चपर चपर चुप रहोगी.
Okay, so I did put some more blush off camera and now we are going to use the powder again in my under eyes and also I'll just shape the blush. I'll try to shape the blush. I'll apply the same lip balm on my here as well. What it is called? As eyeshadow. Yes, as eyeshadow. Please don't mind the way I put it on. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how many times I've said that. Like I literally and low-key don't know. Dude, what the hell am I even doing? And now I'll be applying kajal. It is from Lotus. By the way, guys, any of the product in this video that I'm using, they are not promotion. I'm not doing any type of promotion. And I'll be putting the kajal off camera because if I'll do it on the camera, I'll just make fun of myself. Okay, so the kajal is done. See, it looks good, right? Okay, I don't know, but it looks good, man. It looks so good. Oh my god, my eyes. Mascara, guys. So I have never put on a mascara on my eyelids, like whatever these are, and this is the first time we have ever got a mascara in our house. So yeah, I got this for like 70 rupees. This is of Blue Heaven, and once I learn how to do makeup nicely, then we'll get a better one. How to apply it? Wait. Is it how do we apply mascara? Can you guys see any difference in my eyes? Like this is without mascara and this is with mascara. Like I can see the difference. This looks volumed. Also मैंने अपने lower eyelid पे भी थोड़ा सा mascara लगाया है. Now let's do this side. Guys, I messed up. It's all over my face. I am so irritated, man. I guess it's fine now. As I'm doing it for the very first time, I'm doing great. It's time for the highlighter now. I don't have highlighter. I'll just use this eyeshadow palette. And which one I should use? Maybe this one. How to apply it? I was thinking to use my fingers, but I saw in the tutorial that they were using a very small brush. So yeah, I have a pack of new paint brushes. So for now, I'll be using that only. Don't judge me, okay? I just want it to be perfect. And the girl also said to dump the brush in water so that the highlighter stays in place. Okay. मैंने पानी गिरा दिया वहाँ पे. By the way, हाँ, please don't judge me for this. देखो मुंह पे भी तो मैं पेंट ही कर रही हूँ ना, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है पेंट ब्रश है कि क्या है ना? Please be good. I really don't know how it looks. I'll just put a little bit on here as shit. यार मैं आंखें बंद करके मैं कैसे करूँ? मुझे एक बात बताओ, मुझे दिखेगा कैसे कि मैं आँख के ऊपर क्या कर रही हूँ? और अगर मैं आंखें खुली रख के कर रही हूँ तो वो गलत लग रहा है. This is how I am supposed to do. Yeah, this looks so bad. I'm going to ruin it. Shit. Just get away from there. Wait. Yeah, that's how. क्या फायदा हुआ? I don't know. Do some highlighter on the nose as well. Is it fine? Is it baddie types? I don't know. I guess not bad. Now let's do the lip combo. I don't have a lip combo. I'll just use this lip liner first. It is from Swiss Beauty and it is bold matte lip liner. Okay. I also don't know how to line my lips. I was trying to do it off camera. I could not. Oh, please, someone teach me how to line the lips.
A few moments later.
Okay, so done lining my lips. I don't know how it looks, but I'll just smudge it now. Okay, now in the middle, where is my gloss? Yeah, in the middle, I'll be doing this a little bit. Yeah. Is it bad? I'm trying it for the very first time, so I really don't know if this will look good on me. So this lip gloss is from Zudio. It is a butter glaze, and I love this one. Like, dude, this is just so freaking pretty. In the middle. Is it too much? I'll just do this. See, all the time I use this one, I do this because it is a little too dark for me. I guess the last step of my makeup, it looks good, okay? It looks good. I'll be using the lip gloss. It is from Swiss Beauty again. My, I guess, lip liner was from Swiss Beauty as well. To be honest, I love Swiss Beauty. It's cheap and good. And so glossy. I don't know how it looks, but I'll just blow dry my hairs and set everything up so that I can shoot some cinematics and click some pictures. Okay guys, so I am done doing my makeup. Do let me know in the comment section how do I look, okay? So yeah, this is how I did my makeup for the very first time as a beginner with less amount of products.
Yeah. Hey, we were younger. Swear to God that I love you. Full of love, yeah. Guess we just really at the dawn. Everybody else that I be on.
And that's it for the video guys. I will see you all very soon in my next vlog. Also do let me know in the comment section कि मेरा makeup ठीक है, is it over, what should I improve, मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए, कौन सी चीज़ मुझे अच्छे से और करनी चाहिए. Do let me know everything that I did wrong in my makeup, okay? And yeah, till then, bye bye.